So I'm gonna start cutting. Let me crank this up. Okay, if you got phone stuff to do, go ahead and go do that.
I had somebody I had to answer. Not like you don't ever stop and look at yours.
Not while I'm working.
Well, I wasn't working yet. Just go catch
Yeah.
I'll put them in backwards. It doesn't matter on the little ones. Whatever's easiest on you. This chipper, it does good, but I tell you, the one thing that it doesn't like is fresh green cedars, green hollies. Goodness, as much green as we've mulched. And I only have one clog up to this point. I'd say we've been pretty fortunate. I believe I'll turn it on with the lid open. See if some of that stuff will fly. That cleaned her out. Pretty good. You know, I've wondered if a fella might be wise to spray the inside of that chute with a lubricant, just so it wouldn't stick. I don't know, it might. Last one. So we can at least now see the pond. A few more trees to go, but it's a start. Something that's been bothering me, if you own a portable sawmill, or especially like an entry-level mill, primarily all I can speak about is the Woodland mills. My dust collection is not collecting like it should be. Now what I use, these skids here, when they get full, then I dump the sawdust over here and it works out great. And there's my dust chute and it works okay, but it has a tendency to want to fall out. Now I've got a little situation here with mine because I got this wire here that runs to the laser. But today I'm going to try to make a template for this thing. I don't know what I'm going to build it out of. If I got some thin metal, I may weld something up. I might fuse some plexiglass together, might make it out of wood. I don't know, but I want to make a template to start with. And I want to fix this thing where I can open without taking the dust chute off, if possible. Something like that. Something like that. Let's go build something like that. And then we'll bring it out here and see if it works or don't work. According to my great template, I need a piece of something 7 inches wide. 6 inches long. And it needs to have a little hole in it. So that's that. Now I need another piece. And it needs to go on there like that. I imagine all this is going to have a little modification toward the end, but whatever it will be, 'twill be. Alrighty. Had to put another little step notch in it, and it went out and dry fitted it. Looks like I get a piece on here and get a piece on here. This thing's going to work. What do you think? Well, I mean, you got to bring the thing in the paint booth. What I think, anyway. If everything's good, I'm just going to put a couple of sheet metal screws in this for now. Well, the only thing left to do now is cut a piece of wood and see if sawdust comes out the bottom. Well, this is not a sawmill video, although I wished it was. I got this 3x6, I guess is what it is up here. I was just going, it's not good for anything. I was just going to make some yard standards with it. So we'll use it for our test for our new sawmill chute. This is no doubt state-of-the-art stuff here. Probably a man ought to have a patent on it. Probably going to want to be replicated, duplicated all over the world. No, this is just a trial. But is it catching sawdust? Tried to make a chute. Something that won't fall off every time you get a little shake going on. Something that the lid can open and close, and something that doesn't inhibit the I believe it's going to work though. I might put a piece on here that sticks out here and here. I don't know, I'm gonna watch the video first and see how much dust I'm losing. And if I ain't losing much, then I'm good with it. I think it was catching most of it. I don't think there's much going out here, but I don't know. Okay. On to the next project of the day, I guess. But that's not going to come off every time something shakes, rattles, rocks, and rolls. I'm going to look at it, and then if I need to, I may put a little, just a piece out here. When this opens, it won't hit it, and we'll see how that goes. But appreciate you joining me, and I'll see you in the next one.